Inihahandog ng Philippine Air Force at ng himpilang ito ang programang gagabay tungo sa kapayapaan ng bawat mamamaya at pag-unlad ng buong pamayanan. Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran.
Maayong adlaw sa atong tanan mga higala, kami po ang inyong Philippine Air Force, your air warriors in the Visayas and skylifters in the Visayas, at muli pong sumasahing papawid ang aming palatuntunan usapang pangkapayapaan, usapang pangkaunlaran Cebu. Kasama ang tatlo pa naming partner na radio stations dito sa Cebu City, daghang kaayong salamat kay Ma'am Annabella Rosas of DYMR 576 kHz Radyo Pilipinas, kay Sir Junarex Napalyakan of DYLA 909 kHz, kay Ma'am Eileen Navarro ng DYAR 765 Sunshine Radio, at kay Ma'am Fayette Rinyan at Ma'am Hazel Gloria of PA7 sa pagtulong sa ating programa ngayong umaga. Ako po ang inyong host, Second Lieutenant Lovelyn A. Ramirez, Philippine Air Force, at kasama ang aking mga co-host na sina A1C Raul Grijaldo, Philippine Air Force, at AW1C Yasmin Saladar, Philippine Air Force. Partner?
Thank you, partner. Muli, isang mapagpalang araw para sa ating lahat at sa ating mga libu-libong tagapakinig at tagapagsubaybay sa programang ito. Ang Usapang Pangkapayapaan, Usapang Pangkaunlaran Cebu. Tayo din po ay napapanood sa ating social media platform, sa Facebook page ng SEMO AMC, Tausen BGB Niab, Tausen PAF at ng APAP Cebu. Ang programa pong ito ay para po sa ating pagnanais na maihatid po ang mga impormasyon na mayroong kinalaman sa ating pagsulong ng kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa ating bansang Pilipinas.
Let us also welcome our comrades from Air Mobility Command, to 5th Tactical Helicopter Wing, to 20th Airlift Wing, and 5th ARSEN. Daghan kayong salamat for tuning in with us and for supporting our program. Partner?
Mga kasama, kinagagalak po naming ipakilala ang ating resource speaker ngayong araw na si Police Colonel Arnel J. Apud, Deputy Regional Director for Operations, Police Regional Office 7. Sir, kung maaari po ay bumati po muna tayo sa ating mga tagapakinig at tagapagsubaybay, sir.
Maraming salamat po for inviting the Police Regional Office 7 in your program. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag sa atong tanan. Binabati ko lahat ng mga tagapakinig ng programang ito ng Philippine Air Force, at I hope that I could impart information that will be very helpful in your daily lives as our partner in the maintenance of peace and order in this region. Daghang salamat.
Sir, once again, thank you rin po sa pagpapa-unlock po sa aming request na maging guest speaker kayo ngayong araw. Partner?
Yes, partner, no. Mabuti at napaunlakan po tayo ng PRO 7 ngayong araw para sa ating segment. Sir, kamusta naman po kayo, sir, at yung mga personnel po natin sa PRO 7 po, sir? Kamusta naman po yung moral nila po, sir? Thank you, sir.
So far, I am pleased to say that the morale of our personnel in Police Regional Office 7 is strong and on an upward trajectory. Our recent top-ranking performance in our unit performance evaluation rating indicates that not just operational effectiveness, but also our people are engaged, disciplined, and working as one team. So we have made deliberate efforts to recognize the sacrifices of our officers and promote the deserving personnel and maintain an open leadership posture. All of which is being reinforced that every member is valued. So dito sa PRO 7, lahat pinapahalagahan. So regardless of rank. And of course, we are mindful that morale is not static. We are working continuously to enhance welfare, careers, then leadership development. So our commitment is to maintain this momentum, listening to the concerns of our people, providing the resources they need, and making sure they feel supported. In short, the spirit of our people, our personnel is high, but we will not rest on that laurels. Our people deserve the best possible environment to serve the people of Central Visayas. Daghang salamat.
Sir, thank you, sir. It's good to know, sir, no, na high-spirited and high moral ang ating mga kapulisan dito sa PRO 7. Para naman po sa aking katanungan, sir, pwede nyo po bang i-discuss kung ano po ang ongoing and latest programs ng inyong unit?
With regard to our programs, dito sa police regional office, so of course, we are continuously performing our law enforcement mission and operations, and that to ensure peace and order in Central Visayas. Police Regional Office 7 is actively engaged in humanitarian efforts. Alam naman natin, following the 6.9 magnitude earthquake na nangyari doon sa Northern Cebu on September 30, 2025, yung ating Philippine National Police personnel immediately launched search and recovery operation in coordination with the Regional Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, local government units, and other government agencies. So yung mga personnel natin is being deployed or have been deployed to assist the evacuation, distribution of relief goods, and traffic control, as well as security in affected areas to maintain and support recovery efforts. So at the same time, we continue to intensify our flagship programs, our anti-criminality flagship programs, such as yung campaign natin against illegal drugs, against loot firearms, and against wanted persons, as well as our our internal cleansing initiatives to ensure integrity within our ranks. Through community-based programs, we strengthen our partnership with faith-based and civic sectors to sustain peace and stability. So yun po, hindi lang po tayo sa puro anti-criminality and other law enforcement activities. So we are ready, the PRO7 personnel is ready to respond in any call of duty, lalo-lalo na yung sa humanitarian effort doon sa recently concluded na search and recovery mission doon sa may Northern Cebu. Daghang salamat once again.
Thank you so much, sir, no, sa pag-impart sa amin sa inyong mga latest and ongoing activities. Hindi lang pala para sa yung criminal, yung panghuli ng criminal, yung work ng PRO7, pati din sa mga humanitarian assistance and disaster response. Thank you, sir.
Tama po yun. Very well involved po ang ating mga kapulisan. That is in-embrace na po namin yan na lahat ng pagkakataon na pwede kaming tumulong, handa po kaming tumulong sa ating mga kababayan.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, no, partner.
Yan, sir, no? Before po tayo mag-proceed sa ating short break, while later po, sir, pwede po ba nating matanong muna kung ano po talaga yung mga bilang missions and functions po ng PRO7, sir?
Of course, yes. Unang-una po, ang mission talaga ng PRO7, yung Philippine National Police Regional Office 7, is to enforce the law and prevent and control crimes, maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety in Central Visayas. Yun po talaga ang pinaka-general statement ng aming mission. So, we are really committed to delivering our responsive police services anchored on integrity, professionalism, and respect for human rights. So yung functions po namin is to translate the Philippine National Police national policies and programs into localized, result-oriented action. Kasi po, meron po yung mga command memorandum circular po na sinusunod from Camp Crame sa aming national headquarters. And then po, ina-adapt po namin yan dito sa local setting, dito sa Regional Office 7, para po maging angkop doon sa pangangailangan ng mga stakeholders at ating mga populace dito po sa Region 7. So this includes leading anti-criminality, anti-terrorism, and internal cleansing campaigns. So hindi lang po yung kriminal ang aming sinasawata at saka yung mga terorista, pati po yung mga personnel namin na nagkakamali. Talaga pong we have programs and we have tinatawag na processes to correct or to eliminate mga rogue policemen. And we want to also to ensure that every police station in the region is operating effectively and accountably. So, hindi lang po puro kami operation. In every aspect po namin operation ay meron po kaakibat na accountability yon. Sinisingil po namin sila. Meron po kami mga review ng kanilang mga operational procedures at saka lang conduct of operations. So hindi lang po yun basta-basta they are left alone doing something. Meron po kami tinatawag na mga oversight committee para po to ensure na talagang yung ginagawa natin mga kapulisan doon sa pinakamababang hanay or sa ating mga police station ay tama po at naayon po sa ating mga policy at programa ng aming organization. And ultimately, Pro7 serves as the vanguard of peace and order in Central Visayas, implementing the Chief PNP's directive towards a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. A police service that is fast, honest, and truly felt by the people. Yun po. At yun lang po. At magandang araw at daghang salamat sa mga nakikinig.
Yes po, sir. No. With that, sir, yung mga nasabi niyo po na missions and functions po ng PRO7, we can really see the peace efforts po dito sa region natin, sir. And also, nakikita natin na, we're glad na nakikita natin na meron po talagang accountability and integrity regardless po, sir, kung sino yung naitask po dun sa trabaho and kung ano yung mga nagawa nila, sir. With that po, sir, we'll have a short break po muna para sa gamay ng mga pahinumdom.
Sa dakong kanluran ng ating baybayin, matatagpuan ang West Philippine Sea. Isang yaman ng kalikasan na nagbibigay buhay sa ating bansa. Sagisag ng maunlad na kabuhayan, matatag na ekonomiya, mayamang kalikasan, potensyal sa turismo, at mayamang kultura. Upang maprotektahan ang lahat ng ito, nariyan ang Air Sentinels of the Western Frontier. Nagbabantay sa kalangitan. Sinisigurong ligtas ang teritoryong nasasakupan.
Government Navy Aircraft Charlie 291. We're conducting routine maritime patrol over
Nagsasanay ng mga bagong bayani at tagapagtanggol ng bayan. Nakikisa sa pagtakuyod ng mga pamayanan. Lahat ng ito para sa iyo. Sama-sama at tulong-tulong tayo.
Para sa aking kabuhayan.
Para sa kalikasan.
Para sa aking mga kababayan.
Para sa Palawan.
Para sa aking kinabukasan.
Kaisa ka ba? Tara na.
Kaisa ka ba? Tara na.
Kaisa ka ba? Tara na.
Kaisa ka ba? Tara na!
Kaisa ka ba? Tara na.
Okay, balik na tayo sa ating topic para sa iba pang mga importanteng announcement mula sa PRO 7. Partner?
Thank you, partner. And sir, thank you po ulit sir sa pagbahagi po sir ng mission at function po ng PRO 7. And good to know po sir na ini-ensure po na ng PNP 7 po yung public safety po ng ating mga mamamayan sir at yung peace and order po. At sir, para naman po sa question ko sir, ano naman po yung naging papel at programa ng PRO 7 in support sa National or Regional Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict at sa Kuplan Mulat, sir? Thank you, sir.
Okay. So sa tanong po ninyo na ano po yung aming programs in support to the National Regional Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict. Ito po yung aking masasabi na yung Police Regional Office 7 plays a vital role in supporting the National and Regional Task Force to end local communist armed conflict, or the NTF-LCAC or RTF-LCAC, through law enforcement, community engagement, and intelligence coordination. So lagi po tayong meron po tayong mga programa sa PNP, lalo na po doon sa community engagement. Meron po tayong mga pulis sa barangay na tinatawag. So diyan po yung aming counterpart doon sa ginagawa ng ating mga kasamahan sa Armed Forces of the Philippines in support to the NTF-LCAC. So ito, sasabihin ko, we have a threefold role in this NTF-LCAC. So first, we support focused law enforcement operations against remnants of communist terrorist groups in coordination with the Armed Forces of the Philippines and other member agencies on the task force. So we are focusing on law enforcement. Kasama po yun naman po talaga ang trabaho ng ating PNP. Then second, we sustain peace building and development efforts by implementing the PNP whole of the nation approach through programs like Revitalize Police sa Barangay or RPSB and Barangay Peacekeeping Operations, ensuring that that former conflict affected areas are secured and that basic government services will reach the people. So yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, that we have the RPSB or Revitalized Police sa Barangay. Doon po palagi po tayong nagbibigay po tayo ng mga teams ng PNP personnel na nagkikipag-engage sa mga barangays, mga dating stronghold ng ating mga communist terrorist group. So that yun na nga ang sinasabi, ma-identify yung mga problems at makuha yung mga hinaing ng mga tao at ma-maintain natin yung gain natin against communist terrorist groups. And thirdly, we have through our police community affairs and development programs, we help in the reintegration and transformation of former rebels, guiding them towards livelihood, assistance, and mainstream society. So ito po, itong pangatlo ay yung tumutulong po tayo na magkaroon ng mga livelihood assistance sa ating mga kapatid na gusto nang bumalik sa ating gobyerno. So on the other hand, in support of Kuplan Mulat, we intensify our information and awareness campaigns, particularly among the youth and vulnerable sectors, to counter the deceptive recruitment and propaganda of the CPP and PNDF. We conduct lectures, film showings, and dialogues in schools and communities to promote critical thinking and nationalism. Through these combined efforts, PRO 7 remains steadfast in its mission to safeguard our communities from the influence of insurgency, uphold peace and order, and contribute to the sustainable development goals of Bagong Pilipinas. So yun po ang aming mga activities in support of the NTF-LCAC or RTF-LCAC and Complan Mulat. Thank you.
As you've said nga po sir, no, hindi na lang regarding sa internal na operations po yung ginagawa natin, kundi nagda-translate na rin po yung PRO7 with regards to not only internal but also territorial defense po sir. So, regarding po dito sir, meron pa po ba kayong ibang mga suporta na naibigay regarding sa West Philippine issues sir? West Philippine Sea issues sir?
Okay, so yun ang how did we support the West Philippine Sea issue. So ang ating Police Regional Office 7 fully supports the national position on the West Philippine Sea and stands in solidarity with the armed forces of the Philippines and other government agencies in defending our sovereignty and national interest. While the PNP's direct mandate focuses on internal security and law enforcement, PRO7 contributes to the overall effort through heightened maritime law enforcement, intelligence monitoring, and community awareness initiatives. We have our maritime group together with the Philippine Coast Guard and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources ensures security and law enforcement operations within our maritime jurisdiction, particularly in the Visayan Sea and coastal areas that serve as vital logistical routes supporting our Western Command. So yun po, through our maritime group, yun po ang aming mga contribution in support with the West Philippine Sea issue.
Yes po sir, thank you for that po sir. And it's good to know na marami rin po palang efforts ang PRO7 with regards to our support to the West Philippine Sea issue and that all government agencies po sir ay nagtutulong-tulong para dito po sir. Partner?
Yes, partner. Sir, dumako naman po tayo sa ating mga bisita sa araw na ito. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, sir, ma'am, pwede po kayong magtanong sa ating guest speaker. Unahin po natin from 5th Air Reserve Center. Sir, baka may katanungan po kayo, sir?
Wala naman, sir. Good morning.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. From SMO 228 Airlift Wing. Sir, baka mayroon po yung katanungan sa ating guest.
Good morning, sir. Wala po, sir. Thank you po.
From CMO 560. Any questions?
Wala po, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Hearing none, sir. Partner?
Once again, thank you po sa mga sumuporta na ibang unit sa pagtulong sa ating programa ngayong umaga. And sir, ma'am, bago po tayo magtapos sa ating programa, atin pong pakinggan at hingan ng parting statement and messages ang ating guest speaker ngayong hapon. Police Colonel Arnel J. Apod, Deputy Regional Director for Operations, Police Regional Office 7. Sir, baka meron pa po kayong additional messages or announcement po, sir?
So far, I will just, in behalf of my Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Rodrigo Atienza Maranan, I will just give the parting message. So, this will be the parting message of our Regional Director. And I quote, "Peace and development go hand in hand. The Police Regional Office 7, in close partnership with armed forces, local government units, and the community, continues to uphold the rule of law, promote human rights, safeguard public trust. As we move forward, let us remain united in our shared vision, a safe, just, and progressive Central Visayas, where peace is not only maintained, but sustained through cooperation and integrity. PRO7 will remain steadfast in the fight against criminality and terrorism in collaboration with other national and local government agencies. Your Philippine National Police is striving to maintain peace and security all throughout Region 7. Our operational formula is well in place and continuously gaining success in our quest to prevent the occurrence of crimes. It may not be flawless, but rest assured that crime statistics is consistently trending towards downward path. Lastly, let me assure the public and other listeners and our partner in our partner national agencies that we are not condoning any wrongdoing of our personnel. We have a well-established PNP internal disciplinary machinery. So ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin is isumbong ang ating mga kapulisan na nagkakaroon ng mga ginagawang kalokohan sa kanilang serbisyo. At sigurado po ako na lahat po ito ay aming pagtutuunan ng pansin para po hindi na po sila pamarisan at hindi na po magkakaroon pa ng gagawing mga pagkalukuhan at pagkakamali sa ating mga kababayan. Yan po ay aming ginagawa para po kami po ay pagkakatiwalaan ng ating mga kababayan. Yun lang po. Daghang salamat. Once again, maayong buntag sa atong tanan.
Again, sir, thank you so much for the comprehensive information and discussion you shared to us. Saludo po kami lahat sa ginagawa ninyo sa ating area of responsibility. Hanggang sa muli po, sir, and thank you so much. And with that,
Mga kaibigan, sa ngalan po ng aming Commanding General, Philippine Air Force, Lieutenant General Arthur M. Cordura, Philippine Air Force.
sa ngalan din po ng aming Commander, Air Mobility Command, Major General Ramil G. Oloroso, Philippine Air Force.
At sa ngalan din po ng aming Acting Wing Commander Tactical Operations Wing Central, Colonel Sheila Grace E. Vicente, Philippine Air Force MNSA. Ako po si Second Lieutenant Lovelyn A. Ramirez, Philippine Air Force.
Ako naman po si A1C Roel Engeldo, Philippine Air Force.
Ako naman po si AW1C Yasmin Saladar, Philippine Air Force.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at pagsubaybay. God bless at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Keep safe everyone.